Hello YouTube, welcome to another amazing Photoshop tutorial. How are you doing? So for a tutorial like this, it's a simple tutorial. I'm just going to be showing you how to fix this problem. And if you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe because this would actually help you know when I drop a new video. So for this tutorial, I have a problem here. After cutting out the image and using my refine edges tool, and I'm still getting this because I actually shot the image on this white background. I shot the image on white, so you're not expecting to get anything more. Sorry, a gray background. This is how I shot the image. So trying to place it on a new background, you start getting this if it's not rightly done. So I'm going to be showing you a simple way to fix this anytime, any day. So once again, if you're new to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate. I'm actually going to be duplicating the layout. So when I duplicate it, I am going to clip it into the original layout. Just hold down Alt and clip. When you clip that, you can also do that with Ctrl-Alt-G to automatically clip to the layout below the one you want it to, the one you're clicked on. So I'm going to change this to soft light. You can change it to any of these dark blend mode. Hard light is also nice. You can change it to any of those. But I'm going to keep mine on soft light. Then I'm going to hold down my Alt and use an inverted mask, which is a black mask. Then I'm going to be painting with white. So I am going to use my regular brush and lower the flow, keep the flow around 16, and just paint. And me painting, I'm trying to make sure I don't go too much inside. Then this is our before, this is our after, these are before or after. Try as much as possible to make sure whatever you're painting doesn't look too fake. So the next one is to create a new layout. Do the same thing, hold down your Alt, Ctrl-G to clip it into that same layout. Then this time I am going to pick a part of the hair, change this to color. Then I'm going to start painting. So remember what I'm doing is I'm just painting the hairs that are at the edge of the image. So doing this now, let's try to group this. No. Okay, let's just off both. When you off both of them, this is what you get. And when you on them, this is what you get. Now, some persons might want to do this tutorial in a long way so that you take your time and wash, so that when you keep washing, it helps them to make more money. So the best thing you can do for me, since the tutorial is not long, is to just give me a like and make sure you share these videos to some other persons. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because this will ease you a lot of stress. Right now, it's looking like the image was shot on this background. Whenever you're moving an image to a new background, you might be encountering things like this. So I see over painting here, so I'm going to use my black mask, then zoom in, invert it. Because of what is happening there, I have to use regular marks and change my brush to black brush and just make the flow 100% and just paint out that edge. You can also do that here, paint out the edge. So now we have a nice image, a good looking image, and it's blending well to the background. So once again, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.